For this installation, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a voltmeter, and wire strippers. Turn the power off from the circuit breaker for this switch. Remove the existing wall plate. Unscrew the existing light switch. Pull the switch out of the wall. Double check that the power is off with a non-contact voltage tester. If there are no other wires in the box, there is no neutral wire. You cannot use this switch here. Do not proceed any further. If there are white wires in the box, those are the neutral wires. Proceed to the next step. Carefully turn on the breaker for this switch. Using the voltmeter, check each terminal. When meter lights up, that is your hot wire. The other wire is the load. Turn off the power from the electrical panel, then label all the wires and proceed to the next step. Disconnect the existing wiring. If they're in poor condition, cut and strip the insulation for new wiring. You can connect a jumper wire between the neutral wires in the box and the neutral terminal on the dimmer, or insert both neutral wires into the terminal. Now insert the hot wire into the hot terminal on the back of the dimmer switch. Then insert the load wire into the load terminal on the dimmer. Now connect the ground wire to the ground terminal on the side of the device. Adjust the wires and place the smart dimmer into the wall. Screw on the wall plate. Turn on the circuit breaker. Lastly, slide air gap switch to the right. Navigate to the Devices tab and click Add Device or the plus button. Select the device type In-Wall Dimmer. When prompted to power on the device and confirm, press the bottom paddle 5 times and hold the 6th time for 5 to 15 seconds until the blue LED blinks 3 times. On easy mode, when the LED starts blinking, press Confirm Indicator Rapidly Blinks. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and click Confirm. After successfully adding the device, you can change the name of the device if desired. Now you can remotely control the device through the TOPGREENER app.